Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I hope you have revised everything that you have learned in previous lesson. Do watch all of your previous lessons whenever you get the chance and revise everything that you have already learned. Okay, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's learn to say is. You have already learned how to say is in Urdu. Let's revise it. In English, we say is when we are talking about one thing or person, and in Urdu, it is hai. Then in English, we say are when we are talking about more than one person or things, and in Urdu, it is hain, hain. And then we did learn one more thing. If we are talking about somebody with respect or someone who is older than us, then we don't say hai for that person. We say hain, even if the person is one. Then in English, we say was. We talk about the things that were in the past and that happened previously or in the past. We say was, and it is used for one person or thing. And in Urdu, it is tha or thi. So we use tha for boys and thi for girls. All right. Then in English, we say were. We use this for more than one things or person. And we say were when we are talking about something that has happened in the past. So in Urdu, it is the, the. Then when we are talking about someone who is older than us or with respect, then we don't say tha or thi. Then we say the. All right, I hope you have understood it. Repeat many times. Okay, let's repeat once together. So in English, we say is for one person or thing, and in Urdu, it is hai. Then in English, we say are, and in Urdu, it is hain. Then in English, we say was for things that were in the past or the person. And in Urdu, it is tha for boys and thi for girls. Then in English, we say were, and in Urdu, it is the, the. All right, now some words. We have already learned to say balloon in Urdu. In English, we say balloon, and in English, it is ghubbara. Just listen to the sound. The sound is coming from your throat. It is saying ghubbara. Okay? Then there is a word again. Again. In Urdu, it is dubara. Dubara. Now listen to the sound. It is not coming from your throat. Your tongue is touching your upper teeth. Dubara. Dubara. Now let's repeat one more time. Balloon in English and in Urdu, ghubbara. Then again in English and in Urdu, dubara. Repeat and revise, okay? So we say birthday, birthday in English, and in Urdu it is salgira, salgira. Birthday, salgira. Birthday, salgira. Repeat and revise, okay? Now let's learn some small sentences. In English we say let's rest, and in Urdu it is आओ आराम करें, आओ आराम करें. Then in English we say let's work, let's work, and in Urdu it is आओ काम करें, आओ काम करें. Let's repeat one more time. We say let's rest. And in Urdu, आओ आराम करें. आओ आराम करें. Then in English we say let's work. And in Urdu, आओ काम करें. आओ काम करें. Do repeat many times for practice, alright? Okay, so see you again. फिर मिलेंगे. This is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson, inshallah. Till then, repeat many times and watch this lesson again and again. Alright? Take care. Allah Hafiz.